If you've ever dreamed of creating art that looks like it came from a Studio Ghibli film, you are going to love this. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to generate Ghibli style images using ChatGPT and its built-in image generator. No art skills needed, just a little creativity and one good prompt. You can use the ChatGPT free version or ChatGPT Plus, which is a paid version. I am going to show both. Let's first see how it works using the ChatGPT free version. Go ahead and sign to the ChatGPT account. Next, enter the prompt. Create an image in the style of Studio Ghibli, a peaceful forest house at sunset with glowing lights, soft shadows and magical atmosphere. And you will see this message pop up. Processing image. Lots of people are creating images right now, so this might take a bit. We'll notify you when your image is ready. So if you see that, just be patient. It'll take a few seconds. Now I'm going to show the same using ChatGPT Plus. Sign into your ChatGPT Plus and open a new chat. Next, enter the prompt. Create an image in the style of Studio Ghibli, a peaceful forest house at sunset with glowing lights, soft shadows and magical atmosphere. Submit the prompt and ChatGPT starts working. After just a few moments, we get a beautiful Ghibli style image with soft colors, cozy lighting and that hand-drawn storybook feel. Now, we generated Ghibli style image using ChatGPT Pulse. Next, go to the ChatGPT free version and you see here, ChatGPT free version also generated a Ghibli style image. This is awesome. Next, click this download icon to download the image. That's it. Now I will show you how to convert a real photo into Ghibli art using ChatGPT. I am going to upload my photo and let's see how ChatGPT convert my photo to a Ghibli style image. So you can use ChatGPT free or ChatGPT Plus. I am going to use ChatGPT Plus because it is faster. First, click the little plus icon or image upload button right in the chat window. I am uploading my photo, selecting my photo from the desktop folder. Once you upload the image, enter the prompt. Convert this image into a Ghibli style animation and submit the prompt. Just wait a moment. And there we go. My photo is converted into Ghibli style image. Now you can go ahead and try out. Upload your Ghibli style images to social media. This is how you create your own Studio Ghibli world with nothing but a prompt.